Hello and welcome to my channel. I just want to show you guys how to recondition Honda Civic 1.3 hybrid battery. That's the battery unit you can see in front of you, and there is 8 bolts to open. First, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are 4 bolts for the main chassis, and the 4 bolts inside, 2 was hidden and 2 was in the front. So these 4 was connecting to the battery from one end to other end, minus to plus and plus to minus, and the output comes from there, which is normally comes around 140 or 150 in between, or if it's going less, so it means is the battery condition is going worse and is going down and down and down, and then you will receive the error in your dashboard, and then you need to be recondition, or you need to be hired somebody to do the repair job for you. So once you open these 4 bolts and then disconnect the battery unit with the 4, so this come out like this, and then you have to open the other one, is like, which is here, connecting all the battery units together, so there is 2 parts of the battery. One is this 2 units, as you can see. Okay, these 2 will connect the cells and generate the 66 volts, and then the other one is here. This and this will connect. If you check with the multimeter, so it will show you the 66 here as well. So it means is 120 is at least, it will definitely show you. Otherwise it will show you the 140. If it's a good battery, is 140 or 150. Okay, so I already opened this battery and I'm charging at the moment, because this battery was good. I check all the cells, and now you see I'm recharging this battery and charging and discharging to, is at the moment I'm charging the 4 cells, 4 modules basically. In this Honda Civic battery have 11 modules. I saw personally a lot of videos, and I saw like people saying, oh, 13 modules. Every car have a different number of modules. So this Honda Civic from 2004 to 2009, and then onward is 2010 to 2016, they have 11 modules. This each called one module. This is one module. Okay, this is the, like, one is the green and the orange battery, which is soldered from the back, if you can see here. Okay, this is hardly, like, you cannot disconnect this part, but it will cover with this clip. Okay, and then here is easy to understand. This is the green unit is the neutral, and the face line is the orange unit. Okay, so when I take it out, this battery, the all cells showing me, each modules shows me about 11 watts. Okay, 11 volts it shows. So after 11 volts, when I put the I connect with the bulb, so that was very surprising me. It shows the bulb is not, even if you can see now, if I connect the bulbs, So bulb even don't turn on fully. Okay, and this one, you see, hardly is become red because this battery was out from the Honda Civic so long time ago. So, but the battery, you see, and is keep going down, down, down. Okay, so these all cells need to be recharge and discharge, recharge and discharge. And I can show you, I already have two other cells which I already did the recondition. So if you can see, yeah, yes, really, you see how bright is this? Okay, this makes very bright now, and it's not going down, it's hold the volts. Okay, and this was at the surface value of this battery was 16.94. okay, and 16.94, and after that when I put the load through the bulb load, I mean, so it goes down because I did already couple of times the load of the on this battery. So I will show you now. This goes like this here, red and green. So now it's showing me 15.41, which is good. 15 point, that means this volt is pretty normal, you know, and is not losing because I already used the bulb, you know, like 30 minutes before and after, and now I'm doing the video and I just do it again. But it's still the surface value, you see, they keep up going up because of the surface value is always goes little bit up than the load volt. Load volts is like when, let's suppose, your surface battery surface value of the battery is let's suppose 15.44. okay, so let's put the load now, and then you will see the way it goes down quickly. Okay, so sorry, I'm just using my one hand for everything. Okay, so here you see it goes very fast. Okay, so now is 15.21 and 15.17, 15.15, 15.12, 0.11, 0.10, 0.9, and it's still 15.65. okay, so now when I take it off, so you see is keep go back. Okay, 1 second, is now you see is go back to 15.28. so it means this cell is good. After charge long time ago I charged this battery, but now I'm doing these, you see this is showing the volt. Okay, it's 17.5 volts. 17.5 volts, it means my charger is putting the pressure on this battery, which is 17.2, but this battery can hold maybe the less. But if I gonna check this battery, so you will see the actual value of this battery, which will be a little bit different maybe. Okay, I will show you. Let's see, here is 16.98. Okay, this is the actual value of the battery. Okay, but if you see in my this here, yeah, let's show you the 17.16 volts. Okay, and what you see in the bottom, this is called capacity of this my battery, which will be, you can see in the milliamp is that's the value you see here is in milliamp. Okay, this is 1752 milliamps at the moment, but it will maximum, it will go to around 5000 milliamp. Okay, but I will share with you maybe in another video, and I will go on more detail. But that's the way you have to charge your battery and see the which is the good cell and bad cells, putting the the charge and discharge and putting the load on it. So that's the way, guys. If you need any help, please don't hesitate to contact me. Okay, cheers, bye bye.